In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your membership between accounts on Whop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm the move so your access switches over instantly and cleanly. Start by opening the membership you want to move. After you sign in, look to the left sidebar for the section labeled Joined. That's where all the communities and products you're currently part of are listed. Click the specific community or product you plan to transfer. This opens the main page for that membership so you can manage it without digging through extra menus. Once you're on that membership page, open the membership menu. Look for the small drop-down arrow next to the community's name near the top. Click that arrow and then choose Manage Membership. This brings up the controls that affect your access, billing details, and other membership-specific settings. Inside the management area, find the option to transfer. Depending on the layout for that particular product, you might see a clear Transfer Membership button. If it isn't front and center, check under Settings, explore the billing area, or open the three dots menu. The location can vary a bit by provider, but it will be in one of those spots. If you don't see any transfer option at all, that usually means the provider has disabled transfers for that membership. Quick note while we're here, I've placed the official Whop link at the very top of the description so you can jump straight to the website. And if you're on mobile, you can grab the app from there as well. When you're ready to move it, enter the new account information. Type the email or the username of the account you want to transfer to. Double check spelling before you proceed. This prevents the membership from landing in the wrong place. Make sure you're using the details for an existing Whop account that the new owner controls. Finally, confirm the transfer. You'll see a quick summary of what's being moved and where it's going. Review those details carefully, then confirm to complete the process. The change happens instantly. Your current account will lose access right away, and the new account will gain it immediately. That's all there is to it. To recap, open your membership from Joined, head into Manage Membership, locate the transfer option, enter the correct email or username, and confirm. Check the description for the direct link to Whop to get started. Thanks for watching.